witness who stated that her husband, the defendant, had been arguing because her adult daughter does not like the defendant and asked the complaining witness to pick between having a relationship with her and her grandchildren or the defendant. The complaining witness stated she decided to sever a relationship with her daughter and informed the defendant that she would be moving back to Arizona. The complaining witness stated this upset the defendant and he began arguing with her. She then expressed that she hated him and this made the defendant more upset, and he told her to hit him if she hated him so much. The complaining witness stated she hit Mr. Sullivan with a close fist on the head and face area 3 times before losing balance, slipping and falling. This fall caused her to hit her face on their bedroom dresser. The complaining witness then said she got up and crawled into bed, and she was laying on the furthest corner of the bed closest to the wall and covered her body with a blanket. The complaining witness stated that approximately 10 minutes went by. Mr. Sullivan, the defendant, continued to argue with her. He crawled on the bed, grabbed her, flipped her over, threw her backwards on the mattress, and used his body weight and then on top of her while placing both hands on her upper arms to hold her down. The complainant stated this caused her pain, and she was able to free one of her arms and use her hand to grab the defendant's genital area and making him let go of her completely. The defendant then used his right hand and punched the complaining witness on her mouth, causing pain and visible injury. The complaining witness added the fight then diminished, is that the law enforcement officer observed visible injuries, including large purple bruises on both arms and injuries to the top and bottom inner glove.
Laser, you hearing this?
Yeah.
Interesting. So she's the initial aggressor, though, correct?
Your Honor.
So it looks like he says, hey, hit me, antagonizing. She gets into it. She pops him, what, 3 times in the mouth, you say?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, don't say anything. Sorry. Good morning, Mr. Sullivan. So you were charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine.
Yes, it's not home court's case. If we can just stand down, wait for the DVD prosecutor to be here. I don't know if he's spoken with the complainant yet, if he has anything more to add. I would just ask the court to hold the finding before we can get, until we get the prosecutor.
All right, Mr. Sullivan, just do me a favor. Will you just take a seat in the jury box? I'm going to get, I'm going to also appoint him a lawyer. If you don't mind, I'm going to appoint him someone as well so we can do just.
That's totally fine, Your Honor. Let me, and I'll email DVDs.
Okay, all right.